What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. And if you're new here, which it says about 65, now almost 70% of you watching are completely new here, well then please be sure to subscribe to my channel. It helps me out a lot, helps the channel continue to grow and get these videos out to more people. I talk about stocks, investments, and other pieces of tech news. But today we're going to switch gears a bit. We're going to talk about Bitcoin because according to a hedge fund, a top hedge fund, they see that Bitcoin could hit $115,000 within the next 6 months by August of 2021. So the CEO of and co-chief investment officer at Pantera Capital, which is a blockchain hedge fund, he emailed in a newsletter saying that Bitcoin is now ahead of their April 2020 forecast schedule to hit $115,000 by this summer. He said they're already, I believe he meant to say 2021, but he's saying already at this point, they're well ahead of schedule and they think that it could easily double from where it is right now and go to $115,000 per coin. Pantera prediction is based on the stock to flow model, which is an analytical framework that values an asset's price based on its annual issuance schedule, and the model measures the scarcity of Bitcoin, which is governed by the underlying network programming coding into blockchain's design. Essentially, with Bitcoin, there's only ever going to be 21 million Bitcoin in existence. As more and more large companies are pouring billions of dollars into it, well, there's still that fixed supply of Bitcoin and 21 million coins never going anymore. And as billions of dollars go into it, it's going to keep driving that price up very, very rapidly. According to ARK Invest, Cathie Wood has recently come out and said that Bitcoin could go to $500,000. She didn't give a specific time period, but over the next 5-10 years, she easily believes it could reach $500,000 per coin. She explains how with this limited supply and large institutions starting to allocate single-digit percentages of their balance sheet of the total amount of money they have invested into Bitcoin, she sees it easily being able to surpass the $400,000 to $500,000 range. So essentially, if a company has $1 billion to invest, she believes that if they all put, let's say 3-4% of that money into Bitcoin, that's how we're going to see that price go easily up to the $400,000 to $500,000 range. In addition to Cathie Wood, in addition to this hedge fund, the CEO and co-chief investment officer of this hedge fund, other top analysts and top investors, such as Chamath has come out and said how he believes Bitcoin could hit $1 million per coin. He didn't give a timeline as well, but everyone is saying that with Bitcoin getting more broadly accepted, large institutions are starting to invest in it. Businesses are starting to accept it more and more. We're seeing Uber looking to start accepting it. Square has invested a lot of money into it. The Dallas Mavericks allow people to pay in Dogecoin and other cryptocurrencies. So as more and more people start to accept these as a form of payment, they're going to have to keep some money on their balance sheet. And if they have money on their balance sheet, that's going to be Bitcoin and Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies that are not in circulation, and that's going to mean that it's going to continue to drive the price up of BTC, Ethereum, and all the other cryptocurrency assets. So right now, I want to do a quick update on that because they're believing that it could double within the next 6 months. It's already gone up over 900% in the last year, but there's still a lot more room for growth, and they see the price easily being north of $100,000 within the next 6 months. So this is a pretty big price prediction, but I wanted to let you guys know exactly who said it, where it came from, and how it's not just this one hedge fund that's saying Bitcoin could be over 6 figures, but Cathie Wood, ARK Invest, Chamath, and other billionaire investors, top investment companies are all saying the same thing. So I wanted to let you guys know what's going on here, but let me know what you guys think of Bitcoin. Do you think it's going to reach $100,000 per coin by this summer, or do you think there's no chance that it could do that? I think there's a good chance it could very well happen, but let me know your thoughts. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to get your 4 free stocks, each valued up to $1,600 when you download the Webull investing app using the link down below. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next episode.